Mastering Linear Equations and Inequalities for GMAT. Hello, dear learners. Today, we will dive deep into the fascinating world of linear equations and inequalities, a crucial component of the GMAT's quantitative reasoning section. If you've ever been intrigued by lines, slopes, and how they are represented mathematically, you're in for a treat. Let's make algebra fun and simple. Linear equations are mathematical statements that relate two quantities by an equals sign, smiley face. They represent straight lines when graphed. The general form is x plus b equals cax plus b equals cax plus b equals c, where x is the variable, or the unknown we're trying to find. A, B, and C are constants with AAA not equal to 0. Example: 2x plus 3 equals 7. Here, if we solve for x, we'll find x equals 2x equals 2x equals 2. Linear inequalities are just like linear equations, but instead of an equals sign, they have an inequality. Less than, greater than, is less than or equal to, or is greater than or equal to. They represent regions of the graph rather than just lines. Example: 3x minus 4 greater than 23x4 greater than 23x minus 4 greater than 2. This suggests that for the values of x we're interested in, 3 times that number minus 4 will be greater than 2. 1. Isolate the variable on one side. This involves adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing both sides of the equation to get the variable by itself. 2. Check your solution. Once you've isolated the variable and found its value, plug it back into the original equation to ensure it's correct. Example: for the equation 5x3 equals 12, add 3 to both sides. 5x equals 155x equals 155x equals 15. Divide both sides by 5. X equals 3x equals 3x equals 3. 1. Treat it like an equation. Start by isolating the variable just as you would with an equation. 2. Remember the golden rule. If you multiply or divide by a negative number, you must reverse the inequality. 3. Shade the solution on a number line. This will give you a visual representation of the solution. Example: for the inequality minus 2x plus 5 greater than 3 to 2x plus 5 greater than 3 minus 2x plus 5 greater than 3. Subtract 5 from both sides. Minus 2x greater than minus 2 to 2x greater than minus 2 minus 2x greater than minus 2. Divide both sides by minus 2, and reverse the inequality. X less than 1x less than 1x less than 1. And there we have it. We've unraveled the mystery of linear equations and inequalities, making them less intimidating and more approachable. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep working on problems related to these topics, and soon, you'll master them with ease. Thank you for joining me on this algebraic journey, and best of luck with your GMAT preparation.